What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm giving to y'all a makeup tutorial. I really don't have much to say in this intro, so I guess if you enjoy this look then just continue to watch the video. But also I was telling y'all in one of my last videos, I don't remember which one, but y'all do not be commenting on my videos like I be asking y'all to about what I should film next and stuff. So I'm gonna make it a little easier for y'all and ask y'all some questions because I want y'all to interact. So if you enjoyed this video, well, I guess you don't know if you enjoyed it yet or not, but anyways, if you think this makeup look is cute and you want to see a new look, just comment down below which color y'all would like to see next, as in eyeshadow, or if y'all want to see something simple again or something more exotic, you know, just let me know in the comments down below what color y'all think I should do next. But anyways, let's just get right into it. It's like I can't do no wrong.
Vibe, let's just take our time. Just relax your mind and take it easy, yo.
We are going to be starting off with my Morphe eyelid primer, and I'm going to just put that on my eye. I don't really be knowing how much to put on there and whatnot, but just put some on there, and then I'm going to blend it out with my finger because I find it the easiest. I'm going to be using the James Charles and Morphe mini palette. I lost the name sheet to it, so I really don't know the names of the eyeshadow colors anymore, but I'm pointing to them on the screen, and I just took that shade and I packed it on. Well, I didn't really pack it on that much, but I did pack it on and blended it out, and it really wasn't like, I don't know, that pigmented, I guess, but this is just the base anyway, so that's okay. So now I'm going in with this another brown shade, one a little bit darker than that one. That one I'm gonna pack on as well, and then I'm gonna blend it out after I pack it on. I always pack my eyeshadows on first before I blend it out because it's just more pigmented that way. So I've been blending for a while, but that is the key to makeup, y'all. Blend, blend, blend. So now after that, I'm going in with my deepest brown shade, and I'm going to pack that on my eyelid and my crease, and then I'm going to blend that out as well. And these are the 3 brown shades that we're using for this eyeshadow look, and it just turns into like some sort of smoky eye. To prime my face, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray. It's a primer, a setter, and a refresher. It is coconut water infused to hydrate your skin, so that's really good. And I don't know, I honestly like this primer, and I just came across, well, I don't know, primer, setting spray, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's a new pickup from Sephora. So the foundation I'm using is the Fenty Beauty foundation, and this is in the shade 360. But I'm going to be honest with y'all, I think that I need to go with a darker shade because when I tried it on at the makeup store, it blended into my skin well. But doing this video, it just was too light for me. Like, I know it oxidizes, but this wasn't the one for me. Like, this didn't oxidize into my skin color, so my makeup didn't really come together until like I did the contour and all that other stuff. So here you could just tell I'm looking at it like, nah, baby, this wasn't it. And I was just disappointed because y'all know makeup is expensive. So I really actually love this concealer. It's the Fenty Beauty and it's in the shade 330. But y'all, this concealer is bomb.com. Like bomb. Like, I don't even know how to explain what it does for your face, but the way it go on and the way it blends out is phenomenal. If you don't have this one, I advise you to go get this one because y'all, that one, I'm not gonna cap. Y'all see how snatched this concealer got me looking. It's snatched on there. So the contour I'm using is from ColourPop and it's in the shade New Renaissance. I tried to show these items on camera, but for some reason my camera was just not focusing on the makeup products. I guess the light was too bright or something. So that's why I'm telling y'all all of this stuff on camera. I mean, not on camera, but on audio. And then I'm also have these products in the description. And I'm going to blend this out with my beauty blender. I honestly think it's best if you blend this out with a brush, but I don't know. I just keep trying my beauty blender. I don't know why, y'all. Now I'm going to be baking with the Morphe Baking Set Powder in the shade Banana. I actually like my Airspun one better, but I don't know. I don't know where is that, y'all. So this is the one I'm using right now. And I was going to try the Huda Beauty one, but I don't know. I just didn't buy it the last time I went to the makeup store. But I'm definitely probably going to go cop that soon because I hear great things about it. But yeah. I'm always vibing out to music when I'm doing my makeup, and I can't really show y'all that because of copyright reasons, so I just want to give y'all a little taste of it. But I'm wiping away the powder now, and I had let that bake and set for a little bit, and now I'm going to go in with my True Complexions palette to powder contour, and it's the light to medium palette, and I'm going to use the contour part, and I'm just going to go over the cream contour. And this is just to basically set it. You can't forget to contour that nose. Contouring the nose is my favorite part of my makeup because it makes sure that junk is snatched. Now I don't mind my big nose, but with makeup it just looks better if it's snatched. We're using the Kylie Cosmetics blush in the shade Crush, and this is like low-key one of my favorite blushes. I have another blush that I just don't use, and I don't know why, but yeah, I use my big brush to put this on, and it's really no set amount like how much to put on because I honestly put a lot of it on, and it can't never really be too much unless you really OD'd on it. Ooh, I'm so excited. Everything coming together now, y'all. My face ain't looking all ghosty and stuff no more. But okay, so now I'm going to put those same shades that I put on my eyelid, the two darker brown shades, and I'm gonna put that what is this called, under my eye, my lower lash line. That's what it's called. So yeah, I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line, and I'm gonna smoke that out just a little bit. So now I'm just going back in and touching up my eyeshadow because I felt like it needed to be a little more smoky. And I'm just basically doing little finishing touches here. And after I do this, I'm going to go ahead and go into my glow kit from Anastasia. And I'm going to use the bronze highlighter shade. And I'm going to do my cheekbones, my the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my brow bone. And I also went in with a different highlighter shade. I think it was the one right next to it to do the inner corners of my eye. Now moving on to the lips, we're going to be using the Kiss Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Chocolate. And I'm going to outline my lips with that. And then the lipstick I'm going to be using is okay, my bad, y'all. I had to find the lipstick because I forgot what shade it was called. But it's the Kylie Cosmetics Red, and it's in the shade Call Me. So this is a matte lipstick, and you can wear this as a matte lip, and it'll look super cute. Or you can go ahead and put some gloss on it. So after I got done fixing my lip liner, making sure that's on there correctly, and the lipstick isn't overpowering it, I went in with my Anastasia lip gloss, and this is in the shade Diamond. And here is the finished look. Oh my goodness, y'all look so bomb, if I do say so myself. But thank you guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave in those comments, y'all, what makeup look you want to see next, or what color. So yes, thank you for watching. Bye.
1, 2, 3. Make it feel lucky, lucky. Make